Hi, today I have Samsung Galaxy F05 and I want to show you how take long screenshot on this device. We start off opening our settings Google Chrome application or settings, something would have more information than you have on the one side of screen where we can scroll. Maybe we go to the HardReset.Info website, and there where we are on it we press volume down and power key together at the same time. And after we take our screenshot, we tap first button and push it. When we push it, we are adding more information and creating our long screenshot. When we have all we need, we stop push it. And that's all, we have our long screenshot which is saved in our gallery right now. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye!